In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a polished presentation with Genspark AI slides. We'll move from a static document to a clean, shareable deck in just a few minutes, and I'll point out helpful tips along the way so you get a result you're proud of. To begin, open Genspark and sign in. Make sure you're fully logged in so your work is saved as you go. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a second to confirm you have the PDF you want nearby on your computer. That will make the upload step faster. Next, head over to the AI Slides feature. You'll find it in the main navigation or on the Tools page, and it's designed specifically for turning source documents into structured slides. This is the workspace where you'll manage the upload, give instructions, and preview the results. Now, upload the PDF you want to convert. Select the file from your device and wait for it to finish uploading. Like if your PDF is large or packed with images, the upload may take a moment. That's normal. For best results, use a PDF with selectable text rather than a scanned image. Clear headings and logical sections in the original document will help the AI create cleaner slides. Once the file is in, ask Genspark to turn the PDF into a presentation. You can keep it simple with a prompt like create a presentation from this PDF, or add helpful context such as the audience, tone, or an approximate number of slides. Short, clear instructions tend to produce a stronger first draft. Let the tool generate the slide deck automatically. You'll see a progress indicator while it analyzes the document, extracts key points, and organizes them into a coherent outline. Avoid navigating away during this step so the process completes smoothly. When the draft appears, review each slide and edit the content or layout. Tighten long sentences, correct any jargon, and make sure the main ideas match the original PDF. You can adjust headings, reorder slides for better flow, and simplify busy visuals. If something looks off, refine the text or ask for a quick rephrase to improve clarity. Consistency matters here. Use a single style for titles, bullets, and colors so the deck feels unified. Finally, save or export the presentation. Choose the format that suits your workflow, confirm the file name, and pick a destination you'll remember. After exporting, open the file to verify fonts, images, and page breaks look right. And that's it. Your PDF is now a clear professional slide deck ready to share.